one specific Ganesh Pandal which has a history of more than 300 years. This actually dates back to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It is not a small idol as well. 6 फुट का गणपति बनते हैं वो. उसका weight is almost 1.5 ton. Whoever comes over here, they ask for some particular wish. That wish comes through. Another speciality of this is the idol over here that keeps on changing. They have also won a Limca Book of Record. Can you imagine? Like a Ganesh Pandal winning a Limca Book of Record. Hello and welcome to this series of Bharat Unheard. In this episode, we'll be exploring one specific Ganesh Pandal which has a history of more than 300 years. Almost बोल सकते हैं 325 years हो चुके हैं. Like, can you imagine a place, a pandal which actually celebrates Ganesh Utsav from this long period? This actually dates back to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and from that time onwards, they have been celebrating this festival. इसके पीछे की हिस्ट्री और इसके पीछे की स्टोरी बड़ी अमेजिंग है. इसको जानने के लिए लेट्स डायरेक्टली गो टू द प्लेस. सो हियर वी आर एट खवड़े गणपति विच इज सिचुएटेड एट देवगढ़, और देवगढ़ के अंदर एक गांव है जिसका नाम है मिठ मुमरी, वेयर दिस इज लोकेटेड. नाउ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज लिंक्ड टू विजयदुर्ग फोर्ट. येस, दिस इज द सेम फोर्ट जिसके बारे में हमने पहले वीडियो बनाया था. एंड देन इन दैट हाउ द फोर्ट वॉज बिल्ट, who all played a key role in that fort, everything is mentioned. If you see that video, you'll find one specific name in that called Kanoji Angre, Admiral Kanoji Angre. So, Admiral Kanoji Angre के अंडर ऐसे कई सारे सरदार थे. One of them was Shiv Tandil Khawale. Now, Shiv Tandil Khawale, he was also there at Vijayadurg Fort. He was also looking after the fort, but also the nearby area, which is Devgarh, Malwan, that area. But even though after getting married, like 7 years after his marriage also, he didn't have children. So one fine day, like he did get a dream, and in that dream he was asked to build a Ganesh idol of Mahaganpati. Now there are also 2 types in it, like the Ganpati that we pray, and there's a Mahaganpati. Let's go in the story later on. Now this particular Ganesh idol is unique. Why? Because this is made purely out of mud, and if you go to see, then it is way beautiful than what we normally see. Acha, it looks way different also. Now why different and why am I calling it beautiful? Because this Ganesh idol is like, जैसे पुराने टाइम में जो नाटक आते थे, जो रामलीला नाटक वो सब आते थे, उसमें जैसे गणेश जी हमको दिखते थे, ठीक उसी तरह ये बनाया गया है. अच्छा, now all Ramlila Nataks won't be the same. This is thoda but different. This is more like a Konkani effect to it, because in Konkan when we see Dashavatar, and in Dashavatar when we see Ganesh ji, so it looks almost similar to this. What makes this idol special is, this idol is not made with the help of any, what we call it as a mold or something, or else even there's no other artisan who comes to the place and makes this idol. This is made by their own family. It is made by themselves, and from past 325 years they are only making this idol. There's no one else who comes and makes it. अच्छा, the second thing about it is not a small idol as well. 6 फुट का गणपति बनते हैं वो, and then 6 फुट की महागणपति की मूर्ति, और प्लस उसका weight is almost 1.5 ton. Can you imagine 1.5 ton of mud is being brought together and then made into this beautiful Ganesh Murti as we see here? Well, that is admirable. Acha, so the story goes in such a way that this Sardar, जो विजयदुर्ग फोर्ट पे भी थे, शिव तांडिल खवड़े, he got a dream, and that too when they also cross-checked it in a nearby Narayan Mandir, and there Ganesh ji told them कि आप मुझे स्थापित करो आपके घर पे, and then whatever your wishes are, that will come through. So from that day onwards till this date, that history continues. Whoever comes over here, they ask for some particular wish, that wish comes through. So even you can give it a try. अच्छा, like any other Ganesh Pandal, like जिसके पास, as we all know, गणेश जी आते हैं या तो 1.5 दिन के लिए आते हैं, या तो 5 दिन के लिए आते हैं, 7 दिन के लिए आते हैं, 11 दिन के लिए आते हैं, बट इनके पास गणेश जी 21 दिन तक रहते हैं. सो 21 days यू कैन गो ओवर देयर, यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस दैट. हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ अलग होता है और भजन कीर्तन ये सब चलते ही रहता है. अच्छा, अनदर स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस इज़, ये जैसे नॉर्मल हम गणेश पंडाल में जाते हैं, देखते हैं पूरा डेकोरेशन बना हुआ है, वैसे यहाँ पे एकदम ग्रैंड डेकोरेशन ऐसा नहीं होता. बट द आइडल ओवर हियर दैट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. लाइक फ्रॉम day 1 you will see the idol in pure white. By day 7 it starts turning red. Like they only make it, I know, but then look at the beauty of it. Like they start painting it red. By day 21 they will turn full red and full different. अच्छा, so now इनका विसर्जन भी एक यूनिक वे से ही होता है. So the whole family comes together, the whole village actually comes together, and they take this idol out from the house and they slowly take it to the seashore, and then grand विसर्जन होता है इनका. So this is something that each one of us should at least experience at once, and let alone the history of it. Like they have also won a Limca Book of Record. Can you imagine, like a Ganesh Pandal winning a Limca Book of Record for the maximum number of years, for the maximum number of years that Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated in that, and that too in this grand way. So this actually even dates back to the event of Lokmanya Tilak. So अच्छा, that history is also interesting. So लोकमान्य तिलक जी ने गणेश चतुर्थी को पॉपुलराइज इसलिए किया था ताकि हम इंडियंस, हमको ग्रुप में तभी कलेक्ट होने के लिए ये परमिशन नहीं थी. लाइक ब्रिटिशर्स हैड मेड अ रूल वेयर यू कांट come together as a group and then you can't celebrate anything, you can't discuss anything. That is because of the independence movement. They needed something where people can come together, they can discuss things, but also not let the Britishers know. So this is where Lokmanya Tilak ji came in picture. He brought Ganesh Chaturthi as a festival which was earlier being celebrated in households only on a smaller scale. He made Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav a big thing, where people from different caste, sex, religion, everyone came together and they celebrated this festival, which we all love enjoying now. So this was done somewhere around 1873, and later on it gone on popularizing from there. Like it started from Mumbai to Pune, Kolhapur, and that it gone on spreading. But can you imagine Khawre Ganpati festival is celebrated way before that? Like 1701 was a date when they started this thing. So I felt something special over here. I believe even you will feel something different over here once you visit this place. So if you like this short video of mine, do let me know in the comments, and also do visit this place. Until then, this is Akash Parab signing off, and you are watching Bharat Unheard.